Your computer screen is a cluttered graveyard of 50 open browser tabs, and you cannot find a single thing you actually need right now. Every tab looks exactly the same from a distance, and it is driving you crazy. You click through 5 different windows just to find that one specific chat message or that one important spreadsheet. This is the exact digital headache that WebCatalog Desktop tries to solve by pulling those websites out of the browser and turning them into real programs. It is a simple concept that changes your entire workflow overnight. Instead of burying Gmail or Slack inside a browser window, you give them their own dedicated space on your taskbar. They get their own icons and they live in their own windows. It stops being just another website and starts feeling like actual software installed on your machine. This shift is huge for your mental focus. When you see a specific icon on your dock, your brain knows exactly what that space is for. You are not just browsing the web anymore. You are using a professional tool. The interface itself is remarkably clean and refreshingly simple. There is no clutter, and there are no confusing settings menus that look like they were written for a computer scientist. You just get a straightforward dashboard with a massive library of apps ready to go. You pick what you need, and you install it with one single click. It is designed for people who just want their stuff to work without any extra friction. Even if you are not a technical person, you will find it incredibly easy to navigate. Once an app is installed, it behaves just like any other native program on your computer. It has its own window management and its own notification settings. This is where the real power lies because you can finally control the noise. You can tell your work chat to stay silent while you are focusing on a major project. You do not have to deal with those messy browser-wide notification settings that usually either block everything or let everything through once. You get to be the boss of your own distractions. There is also a massive benefit for anyone who manages multiple accounts. You do not have to keep signing in and out or mess around with different browser profiles just to check a second email account. You can just have separate app windows for everything. It keeps your personal life and your work life in two completely different boxes. Now, it is important to be realistic about the limitations here. Some web apps are built to live inside a traditional browser, and they might use specific extensions that do not carry over perfectly into a standalone window. If you rely on very specific plugins for every single task, you might notice a few small gaps here and there. This is not a flaw in the tool itself, but just a reality of how the modern web is built. However, for the vast majority of what we do every day, the trade-off is more than worth it. You get a faster and more organized experience. You stop losing your work in a sea of tabs, and you gain a sense of order that makes sitting down at your desk feel less overwhelming. It is about taking total control of your digital environment. If you want a cleaner desktop and a much sharper mind, this utility is a massive step in the right direction. It turns the chaos of the internet into a structured and professional workstation that actually helps you get things done.